Hello and welcome to this new video on how to delete all previous chat on ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, we need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on it and type ChatGPT. Now press enter in the keyboard. After that, the ChatGPT search results will be shown. You just have to click on the first search result and the interface will be shown to you. And when the interface is shown, you just have to look in the top right corner. There is a circular icon with a letter in it. You just have to click on it and a pop-up box will appear. And on the second last option, there is settings. So you just have to click on the settings and settings menu will appear in your screen. By default, we are on the general section. So when you are in the general section, you can just look at the bottom of the general section. There is delete all chats text, and on the right side of the text, there is a delete all button. So you just have to click on delete all button, and you just need to confirm that you want to delete by clicking on the confirm deletion button, and all your previous chats will be completely deleted on ChatGPT. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.